Oh, so here I am charging my GoPro while it is in this media mod. And so this happened at hour 15 minutes after I started charging. It so far charged 1210 milliamp hours. That's how much it has charged. And so now I have the problem, the camera turned on its own while it was charging. And all this is off except quick capture was on. Okay, but voice is off, so there was no accidental voice thing or whatever. So I turned quick capture off now. If that does anything. And then I'm attempting to turn this off. Oh, so that button still works for sure. I have to push and hold a little longer. Now it's powering off again. Okay, what's happening here now? So if I wouldn't be here with the camera, I would not have seen that just happened. Okay, so this is minutes later, and it just turned on again on its own. And here it's an hour 17 minutes into charging when that happened. It charged so far 1249 milliamps, and the charge level is 80%. So I'm going to attempt to turn it off again. Okay, so it's off now. And let's see if it's even charging. So we are at 80%. And it's still charging with 1 amp, about 1 amp. That's where we are. Okay, we are here the third time now. This all happens within minutes. It turned on its own again. The power here is the same, like 0.98 amp. 1277 milliamp was charged so far. It's an hour 1933 in making here. I'm not touching this at all. Powering it off. I could almost videotape it how it does it, so it did it again. At 82%. And at 1 hour 21 minutes into the charging process. I'm going to turn it off again. It says powering off, and there it goes. And looks like it keeps charging. And it only took 1300 milliamps, which shows it's 80%. So this is a 1700 milliamp battery, so I don't know, there's a lot more to charge, I think.